Greetings, greetings. This is Elliot here from the Camas Public Library. I'm coming to you today because I want to talk about hand washing. Hand washing is very important, so I thought I would demonstrate some good hand washing techniques. Are you ready? Great. First, I need a volunteer. Any volunteers out there? Ooh, me. Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, sir, I need to see both those hands, okay? Okay. Wonderful. So the first step for washing your hands is to get your hands a little wet, okay? Good, very good. Okay, next step is to get the soap. Very important. Soap, please. Beep. Perfect. Now, you will need to wash your hands. So, start scrubbing. Scrub. And I like to see a few bubbles here. So, when you see some bubbles, oh, very good. That's a very good sign. So, the most important thing is that you scrub your hands for 20 seconds. Yes, 20 seconds. If you need help knowing how long that is, you can sing happy birthday twice. That way you know you've scrubbed your hands for 20 seconds. Does that sound good? Wait a minute. I thought it was for 20 minutes, not 20 seconds. No, it's 20 seconds, not 20 minutes. No, it's 20 minutes. Hey, watch. Wait, it's definitely 20 seconds. That's too many bubbles. Pop. So everyone, be safe out there. Remember to wash your hands. And wash your hands for 20 seconds, not 20 minutes. Thanks so much.